Alright guys, today let's look at Wu Liang Ye stock. It's another high-end liquor brand in China. First, let's again use Warren Buffett's mentor Benjamin Graham's stock picking criteria listed in the Intelligent Investor to evaluate this company. Number 1 is adequate size. Wu Liang Ye's market capital is 480 billion Chinese yuan, ranked number 2 in Baijiu or high-end liquor industry. Its annual revenue is 80 billion Chinese yuan. Size is adequate. Number 2 is strong financials. Wu Liang Ye's current ratio is 3.2. Working capital is over 130 times of its long-term debt, so it's got pretty solid financials. Number 3 is earnings stability. Wu Liang Ye has been profitable for 30 consecutive years. Very impressive. Number 4 is dividend record. Wu Liang Ye has paid out dividends for 17 consecutive years, surpassing the 10 years requirement. Number 5 is earnings growth. In the past 10 years, Wu Liang Ye has seen 290% of earnings growth, much better than the 33% required by Ben. Number 6 is moderate price to earning. Wu Liang Ye's 3-year average price to earning is 18, a bit over the less than 15 requirement. Number 7 is moderate price to assets. Wu Liang Ye's current price to book value is around 3, not meeting the less than 1.5 requirement. So we can see that, except price to earning and the price to assets, Wu Liang Ye meets the other 5 criteria. Next, let's try to calculate its intrinsic value. Normally, I calculate intrinsic value by adding up a company's current liquidation value with the next 10 years total dividend. However, Wu Liang Ye is one of those companies which we are pretty certain it can live and run business for much longer than 10 years. So here I'm using 15 years total dividend. If Wu Liang Ye can sustain an ultra high annual growth rate, its intrinsic value is 210 yuan per share. If its annual growth rate is around 5%, its intrinsic value is 130 yuan per share. If it has no growth, the intrinsic value is 68 yuan per share. If it's declining, then the intrinsic value is 47 yuan per share. So the logic behind investing in Wu Liang Ye is the same as investing in Maotai. They are both among the top performance on the Chinese stock market. Baijiu is a unique Chinese cultural symbol. The very appearance of high-end baijiu on the dinner table shows tremendous respect to the guests. Also, similar to wine, it's commonly accepted that the longer you store baijiu, the higher its value will get. In China, as people's living standard increases, I think it actually has become easier to consume high-end liquor. So I think Wu Liang Ye's business will continue to grow. I estimate its annual growth rate is between 0 to 5%, and its intrinsic value is around 110 yuan per share. I hope you like this analysis. What do you think about the company Wu Liang Ye? Let's discuss in the comments. Stay tuned.